I know that we're gonna get a fish now that I'm doing it all by myself. Ready? I got this. Good time. Back up.
That's a tiny toss, but I guess it's in the water.
So nice. What is that? The super bike 3? It's not often that we get to do anything after school, but today's such a beautiful day and it's still sunny out. Check it out. So we are going to Chuck E. Cheese. Right, Satai? Satai's like, let's go. Ramses, are you excited, Ramses? We're going to Chuck E. Cheese to have a fun evening. Come, Satai.
Shake, babe. Shake. Shake.
Like a summer fun little deal.
Okay, look.
It's invisible.
Thank you. Satai, where are you now?
Hold this. Hold this.
I have to hold the bag?
Yes.
Satai is ready to go. So I purchased a game card and I did one for both boys. Okay, Ramses. I did one for both boys, so as soon as I swipe one, I'll swipe the other one like 10 seconds later. It just makes sense for me not to purchase 2 cards. These cards are timed, so you can buy the cards timed or you can buy it per game. So I chose to buy 1 card timed for like 55 minutes. And then they'll just play unlimited games and then we'll leave. We're gonna eat first, so we got some chicken and fries. That's what the boys love. They don't really like pizza, so we're getting chicken and fries and then we're gonna go have fun. Yeah, so if you guys ever come, we've not really come to Chuck E. Cheese a lot unless there's a party. So if you ever come to Chuck E. Cheese outside of a party, I think that's the best way to just buy a card. Buy 1 card and you can just swipe it 10 seconds later for your next child instead of buying 2 cards. Yes. Ramses, say hi. Barbecue chicken and fries and celery. Wait. Satai. Sit down. Sit down and wait. Why did Satai jump off already? You're enjoying the ride? Satai jumped up. Satai! Satai! No! Satai seem to love the race car games. Or the race cars. Drive Satai. I know. Satai, get down. I'm not sure what Ramses is doing. I don't think he's driving. There we go. That's it. Ramses! Don't lay down. Stand up.
Let's go to my car.
Harder. I'm playing this one for Ramses.
Go that way.
Good job, Satai.
Amaya. Amaya.
Sorry. Satai. Woo, Satai, good job. You made one. Try again. Almost. Woo. Go ahead, Ramses, try.
I don't want to play this.
Finish this.
I don't want to play
Good job, Ramses. Good job. bike? Oh, God. So nice. What is that? The super bike 3? Sita is a rough rider. Sita, you're gonna fall off the bike. Ramses, why did you throw out your toys? You caught a fish? That's a fish? Ramses. Tatai, wait and let Dada finish fixing it. Tatai, man, you break it. Where are you going, Ramses? Where are you running to? You're always running. Where are you running to, Papa? You taking your Moroccans? Huh? Are you gonna go fishing too, Ramses? Yes? Found one? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's a beautiful weekend.
Fish hat.
It's a beautiful weekend, so we decided to go fishing. We are off the Hutchinson River. And we are in Westchester.
This is the best.
So Oral is right there. He's setting out the fishing poles. He just bought 2 new sets of poles, so he's there. He just unboxed or unbagged them.
Oh yeah.
And he's setting them up now so we can go fishing with the boys.
Oh yeah. Okay, watch out for these prickles. They're so quickly they can give you a cut.
They can cut you? Okay.
Or prickle you.
Alright, how's it going, Dad? Are we almost done? Are we almost ready to go fishing? I don't know, man. I don't know. I see one pole on the ground there. And I see another in your hand. So I guess we're almost there. Right, Tatai? You're excited, Tatai?
Oh,
Yeah? So Oral has gone fishing, but we've not gone before. This is our first time. Tatai looks like he's super excited.
Okay,
How about you, Ramses? Ramses, are you excited? You just want to run. So we drive. Take that off my face, Tatai. So we drive past this area every day, and
Can you put the
Oral is always like intrigued, like, oh my god, we should go
Can you
fishing.
put this purple?
We should go fishing one weekend. So we finally decided to come this
Can
weekend.
we put this?
It's
Can you
so
put
nice
this,
outside.
Can you put this purple on your?
You do it. I don't know what to do. You do it. You try and let me see what you do.
Bro. Shut. You can't touch. But you can measure a stick.
So try put it down, Papa, and wait for Daddy to fix it. So Ty's wearing his fishing hat. Alright, let's go up there so you can throw your...
I want to throw my rocks.
So Ty,
Okay, did it. Come on, let's go. What are you waiting for?
wait for Ramses. 3, go! Go! 1, 2, 3, go! 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 Yes, baby. Take your time. You got this. Crawl through. No, you're not gonna break your ankle. You decided 3. Go! Yeah! Good job, Ramsey. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Good job. All right, do you want to try something else now? Come. You did it. Good job. Good job, Satai. Ramses, how about this challenge that Satai was on? Try this one. How is it going? Did you catch any fish? Not yet. Ramses, don't throw the stone in the water. Let me check out your fish, your bait. Look at the bait. No, Ramses. You can throw the stone in the water. The fish won't. It's the Thai's turn to fish. The Thai is fishing for the first time. Did you get anything, Satai? What is that? Oh, that's just a bait, right? Go Satai! Go Satai! Go Satai!
No.
Ramses, it's almost your turn. Satai's like just doing his own thing right now. Wait, Ramses, it's not gonna be your turn soon. Ramses, it will be your turn soon, just wait. fell, Ramses.
Spread it out. I'll spread it out.
Back up, Sita. Back up. Did you catch any fish, Sita? The train is passing. You guys see the train up there? Right above their heads. That's probably that's a Metro North, I think.
Come back. Come back.
It's Ramses' turn. Ramses' turn to fish. Ramses, I don't see you turn it up. Go ahead, Ramses. Oh, Lord. Ramses, you can't do that.
What did you do? What is my fish?
The fish is gonna run away, Ramses.
Oh, he's chasing the fish. He's not going to catch anything.
Go try again. Go. Go to that, Ramses. Your turn. Go.
Surprise.
Go try again. Go. Go to that, Ramses. Your turn. Go.
Surprise.
Huh? Yeah. Caught a lot of fish? Wow. All Ramses is interested in is throwing the... Catch him. Metro North is passing again. Fishermen over here, they didn't catch any fish yet. See them? They did not catch any fish yet. So let's see what happens before the day ends. Ramses, I think you're the one who's gonna get the fish, you know? Colorful.
I never got it.
Never got a turn for that. These guys up there, they brought their music system and their fishing pole. Oh, look like they're about to have a party. About to have a party out there.
Alright, Stacey, I'm reeling a big one. Let's see. Alright, let's see.
I think I caught a 1 pounder.
Okay.
Feels like it's hard to, feels like a 1 pounder.
Okay, alright, let's see if you have anything. Let's see. Let's see if you have a better luck than everybody else.
I got a fish this time. Yes. I think it's bigger than 1 pound now.
Okay, yeah, you got nothing. Absolutely nothing.
You know, I could toss it myself, right? I'll toss it myself after this.
And then I'll toss it.
Guys, Oral think that I can't do this myself. He has to toss it and then I reel it in. No way. I can do this. I got this. You reel it in. Let me see if you got any fish. I think you got a 5-pounder. Well, no dinner for you today since you have no fish. Let me do it. How about I do it? The pole is broken, so we only have 1 pole now. Oh, it's not broken? You fixed it, huh?
We have 3 poles, but the other one has 2.
Oh, okay. We have 3 poles and only 1 works right now. And all this little one is interested in doing is throwing.
Nope, he got nothing.
That's why we're getting no fish. Ramses is scaring them away.
Yeah.
All right, Dada, let me do it. I said let me do it, Dada.
Oh, look, geese.
Hey!
Hey, look, an animal in the water, geese.
Oh, yeah? Let me see. Yeah, beautiful.
Trying to eat some fish.
Trying to get fish? Finally, we're gonna get a fish now that I'm doing it all by myself. Ready? I got this. Good time. Back up.
That's a tiny toss, but I guess it's in the water.
Listen, it's much further than you put it.
Okay, alright, great.
It's feeling heavy. That means I have something, right?
It's just the type of hook that we're using. Because it's a top floater. Yeah.
Nothing. I think this is not a good spot. Maybe we should go on the other side.
Alright, let's pack up and go the other side then. You hook the hook. I got it. I have a hook in the water.
Oh,
Yeah, hold this
you're
one.
trying to secretly catch.
No, I have another.
All right, let's go on the other side. Maybe we'll have better luck because when I toss, I'm supposed to catch a fish. And because I didn't catch anything, we need to move from here. Oh, there's some other kids out there playing. Or you know that someone's having a birthday party at the top? Yeah, they were setting up for a birthday party, like a little kid's birthday party at the park. I guess this is a popular park. It's another view of the river. Wow. Ramses, why you throw your toy? It's okay, I'll get it. Don't worry about it. This runs under the bridge, across the street. Hutchinson River. Alright, I think we'll get a fish on this side. Better luck on this side. You got some bait? Trying to keep Ramses away because he'll scare the fish away. Ramses, wait. Let that throw the bait first. Wait. Tata, be careful, baby. Anything? Nothing. caught a fish. Woo! So Ty, looks like you got a fish, man. Oh man, that's just a bait fish? Wow. Okay. How about
Stacy got a new spot, and Stacy is gonna toss. So let's see if she have any luck. That's a mega toss. Mega toss. Alright, Stacey, I'm gonna see because we almost ready to leave and we catch nothing. So let's see if Stacey can change it. Come over this side. Toss from here. Come this side, Stacey.
And one last try. Woo! That's a good last try. Wow. One last. This might be it. This might be it. We just gave up, but this might be. Tata, grab your hands for me. Thank you. Tata. This is it, Dada. This is it. This is the moment. This is the moment. Nothing? Oh man! Oh! Fact, or is it just that we don't know what we're doing?
You don't know what you're doing. Let's see, you put the hook on and then you toss it. The kid that was there, he thought, well, he showed me on his mom's phone, nothing.
We wish.
and then the other guys that were here, they didn't catch anything either.
No, so just one person, one group catch fish? How many did they catch?
He said he caught like 5.
He caught 5 fish?
what he
That's
said,
why
yeah.
we have none left. That's why there's none left for us to catch.
You didn't left them right.
Because they caught 5, man.
You catch them and let them back.
I think 5 is all is in the pond.
So why can't you catch them again?
I don't know.
But it was on that side that we went.
Better luck next time. Now that we know about this area, we'll come back.
Oh, we know about it, but we never came.
I know. But I didn't realize there's so much here. Like there's a lot of park benches up there. Watch Satai dancing. There's stuff for the kids to play, playground. Francis. So we'll come back again. Better luck next time.
So guys, we're about to leave and we caught, how many fish we caught, Stacey Ann?
We caught like 5 fishes.
5 zeros. 0, 0, 0. Goose egg.
Let me
We
go
caught no
empty the
fish.
garbage.
I was there trying and I broke my last, my bait. So I was like, okay, that's
Yeah,
it.
he didn't
I think he
catch
got
any
caught up
fish.
on some sticks. So that's it for today. Stacey Ann is ready. I think Rams is ready, already in the car. So this is the end of this fishing vlog. Satai,
This is the end of our weekend vlog.
this is the end of our weekend vlog.
Satai said that we need to go out for dinner, but
Yeah, we do.
we'll probably
do?
grab something from your Oral's vegan spot or maybe some Burger King. I don't know.
Are you sad we didn't catch any fish, Satai?
Nah, I said no.
You're not
It's
sad?
okay.
You're
We'll
not
come
sad?
back another time.
Come back another time. So,
Yeah.
all right.
Well,
So thanks for watching, guys.
Wait!
What's the I can say, Satai?
What do you say, Satai?
It looks like we have to go to a restaurant for dinner.
That's what you're worried about.
Uh,
Thanks for watching, you guys. As always, we appreciate you. See you in the next vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye now.
Bye! Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye!
Satai, your
That's
trip.
enough